What you should remember when dating an independent woman. These tips will never fail you. An independent woman is truly remarkable. She possesses strength, decisiveness, and confronts life's challenges with a resolute spirit. Despite her formidable nature, these women still crave love and support. Even if they appear self-sufficient, they appreciate affection. With a strong sense of self, they don't rely on anyone else. If you're dating such a woman, here are some key considerations to keep in mind. 1. Responsibilities. An independent woman will consistently divide responsibilities with you, expecting you to shoulder your fair share of the workload. While it won't necessarily be a deal-breaker if you're not willing, it might disappoint her as she values mutual investment in the relationship. 2. Space. In the relationship, she will require her own space. Don't anticipate constant clinginess from her, as she cherishes her personal autonomy and time. Therefore, it's advisable not to encroach on her need for personal time. 3. Time. Gaining the affection of a resilient woman requires patience. These women may have experienced past hurt or learned self-reliance from an early age. Consequently, she doesn't require a man to fulfill her responsibilities, she simply desires love. Take your time and exercise patience when pursuing such a woman. 4. Direct tone. She isn't afraid to voice her thoughts. Independent women are assertive and have strong opinions. You can't dominate her with your views because while she may listen, she'll ultimately follow what she believes is correct. She'll also be upfront about her desires and expectations in the relationship. Therefore, it's best not to spend time discussing trivial matters with her. 5. Finances. She will prioritize financial responsibility and will anticipate the same from you. She won't request gifts or assistance, as she prefers not to rely on others for her happiness. Additionally, she'll offer valuable advice on smart money-saving strategies. 6. Problems. She handles her own challenges without needing to be rescued. She's not a damsel in distress waiting for someone to swoop in and save her. Whether it's financial, familial, or other issues, she's capable of resolving them independently. However, offering your assistance is always welcomed, and she'll surely appreciate the gesture. Warning signs your husband fancies your sister. It's a widely acknowledged notion, and there's no denying that husbands sometimes develop attractions to their wives' sisters. Naturally, this is a common fantasy that no wife appreciates. To provide some awareness, here are some warning signs that your husband may be interested in your sister. 1. Too many inside jokes. A couple of light-hearted jokes and friendly banter every now and then are acceptable, but if your husband frequently engages in inside jokes that only he and your sister understand, it could be a cause for concern. 2. Judgements on her relationships. It's understandable for a brotherly opinion to be acceptable, but if a man expresses unwarranted disapproval of your sister's boyfriend, it's important to inquire about the underlying reasons or investigate the situation further. 3. Too many compliments. Observe his gaze when your sister enters the room. Moreover, if he compliments her in a manner that seems overly detailed or excessive, it's worth sitting down for a conversation with your husband. 4. Tries to impress. His attention and efforts to impress should be directed solely towards you. If you notice, feel, or observe that he's treating your sister in the same manner, don't fault her. Instead, address the issue with your husband, as he is your husband. 5. Flirting. Openly flirting is simply unacceptable. You must assertively intervene. If your sister is underage, her safety is compromised as well. So exercise caution. How can you know if you're really in love? Ask yourself, are you in love? Love is an exquisite sensation. The closeness, trust, and allure bring forth positive emotions and a sense of happiness that embodies love and affection. When you're in love, there's a radiant glow on your face, a sure sign that you're on cloud nine. Falling in love is a uniquely beautiful journey, varying for each individual. Before determining if you found your soulmate, here are some unmistakable signs that suggest you're genuinely falling in love. 1. You love yourself when you're with them. Rare are the moments in this world when you genuinely embrace every aspect of yourself in the presence of that special someone. The way they cause your eyes to crinkle, your lips to curve into a smile, and your heart to radiate with joy is simply extraordinary. When you catch sight of a truly content version of yourself while in their company, you'll realize that you're in love. 2. You prioritize them. Among your various commitments, you'll naturally find yourself placing greater importance on that individual. You'll feel inclined to spend time, share laughter and tears, and simply be with them, driven by genuine desire. Therefore, if you truly love that person, you'll undoubtedly allocate your time and energy to prioritize them. 3. You're willing to try new things. If you're an introvert and you discover a newfound eagerness to explore new experiences for the sake of that person, then you're in love. This eagerness stems from a desire to engage in activities that resonate with that person, thereby fostering a stronger connection. 4. You value their opinions. Assigning equal value to that person's opinions as you do to your own demonstrates the depth of your care for them, or rather, your love. You'll notice yourself actively seeking their counsel, particularly when it pertains to your shared future. 5. Everything reminds you of them. You'll find yourself constantly thinking about them, which is the enchantment of love. Every aspect of your life will serve as a reminder of them because your thoughts, soul, and heart are intertwined with theirs. Even the simplest things like what you wear, eat, or see will evoke memories of the time spent together. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.